Hi everyone, how is everybody doing? Thanks for joining me and welcome back. In today's video, I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys a couple palettes that I purchased and picked up from Makeup Revolution. These two right here are the Rachel Leary palettes. The one is called the Goddess on the Go palette, and then the other one is called the Ultimate Goddess palette. So I think I'm going to go ahead and play around with this one on this video today, and I'm not going to really be doing any talking. It's just going to be a quick look using the products in here. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. You do have 16 eyeshadows, which 8 are matte, that's on top, and then the other 8 are more of a shimmer or metallic kind of shades. And then you have 9 face products, which up here you have your bronzers, your blushes, and then your highlights. Let me show you the other one just real quick inside, but I'm not going to play around with this one right now. I possibly might do this one. I might do this one either on my channel here, or sometimes I do live videos on my Facebook. I like to do some live on there once in a while. So I might end up just doing a live on there, or I might do one on my channel here. One or the other. I will give a heads up. But I would say, if you can, follow me on my Facebook and Twitter. The links are down below, and that's how you can keep up with some things. Like if I do announce, like, hey, I'm going to be coming on live within the next day or two, and it might be on Facebook. I've been doing quite a few lives a couple times here and there. But here are the colors. Here's the color scheme in this one here. Beautiful. I could see myself wearing this even into the fall. This one here, you have 9 eyeshadows, and then you have 4 of the face products. So, and the eyeshadows here scheme around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 5 mattes, and then like 4 shimmer metallics, and then you have a I guess a couple highlights. I guess they're considering these two highlights here. And then up here you have the bronzer and the blush, which they are gorgeous. I have played around with this one here too. So let's get into creating a look with this palette. Like I said, there will be no talking. I'm just going to probably put a little music in there. I can point to the shadows as I go. And then I'll come back at the end and just finish up the rest. All right? Okay, so here is my final look with the palette. Yeah, here it is. It's really pretty. I liked it because it looked like a nice, really pretty tangerine color, so I was liking that a lot. So overall, I think this palette is gorgeous. I love the color scheme in here. The one thing I will tell you is there is no, like I sometimes like to put my eye primer on and then set it a little bit. Lately I've been just doing it from the crease and going up instead of just doing it all over. Sometimes I will do it all over, but lately I've been doing it the other way, just like setting something from the crease and going up. So I couldn't use any color in here. Like this white color here is just, it was too white. Possibly I could have went into, what is this one, passion fruit martini. I could have possibly done that, but I used that to like buff out some of the colors. I said there is some really pretty purple pink tones in there. This one's called Cash. That's a really pretty color. It's like, I don't know, it's like almost very like almost olive, golden olive color or something. It's really pretty. And then Paradise I used on the lower lash area, if you guys had seen me doing that. All right, beauties, so thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate that. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would help me out so much, and I very muchly appreciate that. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. You can go ahead and click the subscribe button that's down below, and also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified of when my videos are uploaded and ready to watch. And as always, beauties, please remember to be yourself, love yourself, and let the real beauty shine through. So until the next time, you take care. I will see you then. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.